heart of bustling city, there lived a young woman named Lily. She was strikingly beautiful, with porcelain skin and deep, expressive eyes that seemed to hold the weight of countless untold stories. Every day she walked the crowded streets, her presence often turning heads. People admired her effortlessly, perfect appearance, the way she dressed with style and grace, and the radiant smile that could light up a room. Yet, despite all this attention, Lily often felt invisible. On the outside, her life appeared perfect. She had a successful job, a circle of friends, and city apartment with a view of the skyline. Yet, despite her outward success, Lily felt disconnected from the world. She spent her days working hard to maintain the image everyone expected. But deep down, she longed for something more. She wanted to be seen for who she truly was, not just for how she looked or what she did. One afternoon, as she walked through the city park, surrounded by people rushing to their destinations, Lily couldn't shake the feeling that she was just a face in the crowd. It was as if everyone around her was too busy to really notice her, to stop and see the person beyond the surface. She looked at the people passing by, heads buried in phones, eyes focused on the next thing, and wondered if anyone truly saw her. Lily had always prided herself on her ability to blend in, to present the polished version of herself that the world seemed to expect. But lately she had begun to feel lost in the process, as if she were playing a part in a story that wasn't truly hers. She realized that in her quest for success and approval, she had neglected the things that really mattered, the small, meaningful moments, the connections that didn't rely on perfection. One day, while walking through the city streets, she noticed a man sitting on a bench, quietly painting a mural on the side of a building. His work was vibrant, filled with emotion, but there was no crowd around him. No one stopped to admire his part. It struck her deeply. This man, like so many others, was creating something beautiful, not for approval or recognition, but simply because it was his passion. For the first time in a long while, Lily understood something important. True beauty wasn't in the way others saw her, it was in the authenticity of what she created and how she connected with the world. In the weeks that followed, Lily began to change. She stopped focusing on being the perfect version of herself and started to focus on what truly mattered to her. She picked up her camera again, something she hadn't done in years, and began capturing moments of beauty in every day. She spent more time with the people who made her feel heard and understood, and less time trying to impress those who only valued the surface. Hope you like the story.